Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to discuss example 1 and exercise 1.1 question number 1 and 2. So let us start with example 1. We have to find the sum is minus 3 for a pair of integers. Let us take integers as x comma y that belongs to integers, that is 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 and so on. We can take x equals to minus 4, y equals to 1, that is x plus y that is equals to minus 4 plus 1 equals to minus 3. Then question number 1b says that we have to find x and y such that difference is minus 5. So we can take x as minus 4 and y as 1, then we will get difference x minus y equals to minus 4 minus of 1, that is equals to minus 5. Now question number 1c. C says that we have to find pair of integers x and y such that difference is 2. So we can take x equals to minus 2, y equals to minus 4, then difference x minus y that is equals to minus 2 minus 4 that is equals to minus 2 plus 4 that is equals to plus 2. Then we have to find pair of integers x and y such that sum is 0. So we can take integer 4 and minus 4, then we will get x plus y that is equals to 4 plus minus 4, plus into minus is minus, so 4 minus 4 equals to 0, where plus into minus equals to minus. Now let us solve exercise 1.1 question number 1 and 2. Now let us solve exercise 1.1 question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 says that find a pair of integers x and y belongs to integers, that is 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 and so on, such that first sum is minus 7. So we can take x and y such that x is minus 4, y is minus 3, then we will get sum x plus y is equals to minus 4 plus minus 3 that is equals to minus 4, plus into minus is minus, plus into minus is minus, so we get minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. Now question number 1b, x and y whose difference is minus 10. We can take x equals to 7, y equals to 17, and get x minus y equals to 7 minus 17, that is equals to minus 10. Now question number 1c, sum is 0. Sum is 0. we can take x equals to minus 7 and y equals to plus 7. We will get x plus y, that is equals to minus 7 plus 7, that is equals to 0. Now question number 2a, we have to find pair of negative integers. So we have to take two negative integers whose difference gives 8, so we can take both as negative integers. We can take x equals to minus 4 and y equals to minus 12. You will get minus 4, minus into minus is plus 12, you will get 8, because minus into minus is plus. Now question number 2b, you have to find one negative and one positive integer whose sum is minus 5. One negative and one positive integer whose sum is minus 5. So we have to find one negative. We can take minus 6 plus positive, that is we can take plus 1, that is equals to minus 6 plus 1 equals to minus 5. Now question number 2c, we have to write one negative and one positive integer whose difference is minus 3. We can take minus 2 minus positive is plus 1, that is equals to minus 2, plus into minus is minus, that is equals to minus 3. Now in next lecture we will cover question number 3 and 4 of exercise 1.1. Thank you.